Welcome. We'll create texture color variations for our plants. We'll use Canva for this. Just open canva.com in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, upload the diffuse texture and open it. Now click on Edit Image, then find the Adjust option. At the bottom, under Color Adjustment, select the flower color since that's what we'll be changing. Now simply adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness sliders to create the color you want. You can make different versions like blue, yellow, or pink flowers, totally up to you. Once you're happy with the result, go ahead and download the image. I've already downloaded and prepared a few color variations of the same texture. Now open your Blender file where we made the plant. In the shader editor, replace the current diffuse map with your new colored one. That's it, the color of the plant will update immediately. Using this method, you can easily create multiple color variations of both the flower and the leaves. You can even duplicate the material and assign different textures to different meshes in the scene. This lets you have a variety of plants in the same project with different colors without needing to remodel anything. I hope you liked this quick trick. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.